How to fix Outlook login loop problem. To fix a login loop problem that you're facing on Microsoft Outlook, there could be various reasons for this. The first is make sure you're using a stable internet connection and that you're not connected to any type of private VPN, proxy or DNS settings so that it does not interfere with your original network connection. Once you've made sure to disable all of those settings, the other things that you can check is you can try to log in from the device where you have logged into Outlook or Microsoft account before, especially also using the same browser and the same Wi-Fi network. So click on the sign in button from the top right hand side of the outlook.com page. And you can simply try to enter your respective Outlook email, click on the next option and enter your correct password. Sometimes you could be getting the login loop if your password is incorrect. If you forgot your password, you can try to click on the forgot your password button, verify the verification methods and enter a new password without having to remember one of the older passwords. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.